Hey guys, welcome back to A Day in the Life of a Personal Chef. This week we made a mango barbecue pork, and I don't know about you guys, but this year has definitely been a big one for our summer grilling. We paired that with some grilled asparagus, and we also threw in some bacon and Parmesan into our traditional mac and cheese to add some big flavor. And that was one of our big focuses for this week, is simple ingredients to add in some huge flavor. Next, we worked on a shrimp and corn soup for our meal clients, and our ingredient in that to add some really big flavor was a jalapeno, which added a little bit of heat and just a whole burst of flavor in there. And it's a super simple tip that you can use if you want to add big flavor to something like a soup or other things. Go ahead and add a chili. Finishing up that soup, we added in some shrimp, and then to finish the week, we had to work on some of our breakfast and snack boxes. And one of our favorite items from our summer snack box is our berry cobbler. Now, our super simple crumb topping is oats, flour, sugar, butter, of course, some cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. And then we just mixed all of that together to finish that topping, and then it'll go on top of all of our mixed berries. Our big focus this summer for our breakfast and snack boxes was, of course, those bright and fresh flavors of summer fruits and vegetables. So we really enjoyed getting to highlight that. And that's the end of our week.